Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lashanya, or you can call me Mama L. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a low subscriber, you already know the drill. Okay, so in today's video, I'm basically going to do a Fashionnova review to the lookbook that I just posted. So I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I come on YouTube and I want to get some outfit ideas, I honestly just want to see a lookbook, or I just want to see what pieces you put together so I could be inspired myself to look in my closet and see what I have to make something similar, or just an outfit idea. I just want an outfit idea. So sometimes, not all the time, you could be honest, do you skip through? Yes, you do. Moving forward on my channel, let me know if you think this is a terrible idea. I could take constructive criticism. I'm going to do lookbooks and reviews, completely separate videos, because sometimes I know some people just want to see the fit. Like, sis, shut up, let me just see the outfit. And then sometimes I want to know, okay, was it too tight? Was it giving you a moose? Was it giving you a camel toe? You know, like, sometimes I want to know that, sometimes I don't. So recently I did another Fashionnova haul. It was a lookbook. I did not talk over it. It was just me being in my element, switching in my outfits, listening to my music, all that rah-rah. I'm gonna link that right here if you wanna watch just a lookbook. If you wanna hear me review the actual products, keep watching. This look was my first look in the lookbook that I recently posted. I had a bubblegum Sherpa coat on from Forever 21, probably like 2 years ago. I believe I had a Cartoon Network shirt because Patrick was matching the bubblegum jacket. Okay, so we had to coordinate. The only Fashionnova item that was in that outfit were these pants. Okay, these pants are so cute, but you want to know the gag, you want to know the tea. I saw these pants on De'Ara Taylor, and I was like, I gotta pick them shits up. Okay, I need to. They're super cute. It's silver chains on the side. I don't even wear silver, but like, I just wanted it. I'm a large in everything, in a size 13 if they give me a chance, because your girl is getting thickums, but I'm trying to slim back down. But I like my booty. But these pants are super duper cute. If you're a tall girl, I am 5'9". These literally touch the ground. Like, don't worry about it not fitting you. It will fit you perfectly fine height-wise. Now, the only issue I had, and if you have these jeans, please feel free to tell me in the comments, maybe I was wearing them wrong. You have to loosen up these things, obviously, because it just feels really tight in the crotch area. I mean, I still loosened it up and it was still feeling tight. Y'all better give a girl a little bit more room in here, or because it's really tight. Like, I don't think, maybe I should have sized up, maybe I should have got a 14, but I don't want to accept a 14 in my closet. A 14 for me, I'm not used to being that big, but you know, my booty getting that big, that is what it is. My crush ain't complaining. That's the only thing I have to say about these jeans. If you're tall, they fit you perfectly fine. If you are skinny in this area, I'm sure it fit you just fine. I'm not sure how much it was retailing now. I believe the original price was probably like 60 something. I'll insert it right here, but I got it on sale and I think they're sold out. So if you could get on the wait list for them, they're definitely a steal. I give them overall an 8 out of 10, only because the crotch area is really tight, and I wish like that wasn't the deal at all, you know, because I need some space. What if I want to pose? I can't do all of that in them jeans. The next look I had in the video, I believe, was this limited. Let me go closer, maybe it'll focus. Will you focus? We're not focusing. We're not focusing, no? Okay, this is, it's a neon yellow or green. What y'all call this? Yellow or green? I personally think it's yellow, but some people say it's green. It's a neon bodysuit. It says limited edition. The cut is very deep. I was really nervous about these string shoulder things because they're just so thin. I was scared I was gonna accidentally pop it, but no, overall it's pretty sturdy. I think it's cute. You could pair it with a lot of things. In the video, I paired it with this skirt. There you go. I don't even know what kind of vibe this is. It feels really plasticky. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it $1.75. I have not worn this in public. I haven't worn any of these outfits in public, to be honest. But it's like it's definitely not what I thought was coming in the mail. I thought it was gonna be thicker. It kind of gives that plasticky feel. So yeah, I bought this a really long time ago, but I haven't worn it because it's just how it felt. I felt like I had a plastic bag on. So it's definitely not my fave. I would give it probably a 6 or a 5.5 because I just didn't expect it to feel like this. I thought it was gonna feel like a faux leather skirt. Like, This feels like I have a plastic bag on. But overall, it is pretty cute. You can pair it with a lot of different things. It's also silver. Again, I don't really wear silver like that, but I think it's a cute thing. I'll give it a 5.5 only because I don't hate the way it feels, and I can see it riding up on me. Yeah, and I can see like a little string coming out. Like, I haven't even worn this. So Fashionnova. I don't know what y'all was doing with that one, but it was a miss. I have a Sherpa problem, as y'all can see. Sherpa it up. In that video, I had a black Sherpa coat on. I got it from AliExpress. I think I got it for like $18 2 years ago. I have the link in another video. Y'all can go find it. Scavenger hunt. Whoever finds it gets up. So the next outfit I had in that lookbook was this one, where I basically had a brown coat, which I thrifted. Baby girl got that for $7. Don't play with me. This is thrifted too. But I got it for $7. And then this shirt right here, this snake shirt, I think it's super cute. Fabric on 10. It's like a fake suede kind of feeling. Ugh. I love it. I don't really have big boobs.
Big boobs? What? Child. Anyway, so
I don't really have big boobs, but it gives you some boobs and it lifts you up a little bit too. I think it's just super cute. 10 out of 10 shirt. Love this buy. And it could be its own statement piece a little bit. Like, you don't have to do too much with this. That's why I just left it to these leather pants that I got. These leather leggings, actually, they're not pants. Again, tall girl approved. If you are 5'9", and honestly, if you are, let me think, these really went all the way down. So I would say if you're also 6 foot, am I dragging it? Am I dragging it? I'm not sure if I'm dragging it. But I feel like if you're 6 feet tall, like one of my close friends, she's 6 feet, and I feel like if I gave these to her, they would be at her ankles as well. So if you are a tall girl, this is very approved for you. The only thing I say I don't like about these pants is this little scrunch in the booty.
I don't like that.
But other than that, I feel like it's fine. Sometimes it could scrunch up a little bit in that area too, but honestly, it's pants. It is what it is. If you got a vagina, you know the problem. Like, it's just gonna make that weird V. Like, but overall, I think I will give this a 8.5 or 8.7. And the last thing that was in that video, I believe it was a black purse that I thrifted, got it for $4. And these glasses right here that are also from Fashionnova, super simple. I had a pair like this before, but these are slightly different because they do that little thing that's going on there. I believe it was like $5. I was like, throw it in a bag. Why not? So the last thing in that haul was just these white pants. These white pants, super simple. There's nothing to them. They claim that they boost up your butt. I still haven't worn these either. Probably got them almost a year ago. The only thing I don't like about these pants, I would say, they say it lifts up your butt, but it don't. If anything, it reminds me of like those low-rise pants. And I personally don't like low-rise pants because the way my booty is set up, it just don't work like that. So in order to wear these pants, I probably have to wear something like to cover it like this. I give these jeans, they're actually jeans. I give these jeans, I give them like a 7. So before I let you guys go, that was all the clothes for that haul. I remembered that I did another lookbook and I did not tell you if the products were good or not. So I decided to throw those 2 items into this little video, and I will link this lookbook as well in the description box below. So just 2 items. Where you going anyway? You ain't got nothing to do. This item is basically a white bodysuit. I'll insert a clip of it right here. And I think it's super cute. I've worn it on a few occasions. I probably got it last year. Super nice. It's soft, lace material. I would say the only thing that I did not like, you have to be very careful with this item. I mean, I kind of knew that, but like, you still got to be very careful with this item because I ended up accidentally, I didn't even notice until I took a picture, and that picture was so cute. I had a rip and I was a little overweight, but besides the point, I had a rip somewhere. So I would say only thing about this, just be very careful. Also, probably read the instructions when doing your laundry with it, because sometimes, I mean, not so much here, but sometimes I got some little balls on there and I don't like that. But I also don't be doing my laundry, right? So there's that. So this shirt is so cute. I love this shirt. I wore it a few times. I wore it in my graduation photos, and then I wore it on my trip to Boston. Honestly, you could dress it up or you could dress it down, whichever you prefer. I think this shirt is so cute. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. I recommend. I believe there was a white version as well, but I was like, you know, I want to pop a little bit, so I got red, and I think it looks so good on my skin. I just look like a chocolate bar wrapped up. The only thing is, I will say your nipples will show a little bit, but we all got them, so what we're not gonna do is judge thy neighbor. Okay, but honestly guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you're more into actually hearing, should I buy this product? We're doing these videos like this now. I'll show you guys the lookbook, me goofing off, and then I'll do another video of me sitting there tell you about the product, and then you can figure out if you want to spend your coin. So have a good day, have a happy day, have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video.